Now booming is artificial intelligence for next 30 years. I am telling the syllabus of artificial intelligence. Please forward to everyone. It is very much useful. Foundation courses. First, mathematics for artificial intelligence, linear algebra, calculus, probability and statistics, optimization theory, programming languages and tools required for artificial intelligence, Python, libraries and framework like NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow, etc. Machine learning fundamentals, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning, model evaluation and validation, data handling and pre-processing, data cleaning, future engineering, data visualization. Next, core AI topics, deep learning, neural networks architecture, deep learning frameworks, transfer learning and fine tuning. NLP, text processing and tokenization, word embedding, sequence modeling, transformer models, computer vision, image processing basics, convolutional neural networks, object detection and recognition, image segmentation, advanced AI topics, AI ethics and responsible AI, bias and fairness in AI, privacy and security concerns, ethical consideration in AI development, AI applications, healthcare applications, autonomous vehicles, recommended systems, financial forecasting, practical projects, implementation AI algorithms on real world data sets, collaborative projects with industry parameters or research institutions, as well as it is required for everyone soft skills and continuous learning.